Do you want to visualize and better understand the magnetic field details of your permanent magnets and magnet assemblies? Then you need Magcam's advanced portal scanning system. With this portal scanning system, Magcam provides the most complete solution for measuring and analyzing large magnets and magnetic assemblies. Let's find out how our portal scanner works. At the center of the portal scanner, you can find the MiniCube 3D. The MiniCube 3D is Magcam's flagship magnetic field camera. It contains our patented sensor chip technology comprising of a 2D array of more than 16,000 whole magnetic field sensors. It measures the magnetic field at record speeds and results in a three-dimensional magnetic field distribution of your magnet. Magcam's high-speed portal scanner is a 3-axis motorized scan stage with an integrated MiniCube 3D magnetic field camera. You can place magnets directly on the surface within the positioning frame. You can enter the magnet's parameters or just load the measurement preset in the MagScope software. A measurement is started by pushing the green Start button or clicking on Start in MagScope. The system will make multiple measurements to capture the complete magnetic field of the magnet. You can see the results with MagScope. This is Magcam's powerful data analysis software. It seamlessly stitches all images together and visualizes the magnetic field distribution of your magnet in 2 or 3 dimensions. MagScope's vast library of advanced analysis functions enables you to really dive into the details of your magnet. With the optional laser, the height of each magnet can be accurately measured. To speed up the measurement of larger quantities of magnets, we have developed a tray scan mode. The system will measure the magnets one by one. MagScope shows each measurement as it is completed and can analyze and export all data automatically during processing. With our expertise and technology, we provide the best solution to measure and analyze your large magnets and magnet assemblies. Enjoy using Magcam's technology.